Hi guys, so welcome back to vlogging. My wife had discovered some new restaurant nearby. Now, since we have shifted to this house last year, we miss eating in one of the restaurants in Barsha, which we normally used to have this Mandy. Mandy is a Yemeni kind of meal. So she recently discovered that there is one restaurant here who serves Mandy, so we're trying to try it. And the good thing about this restaurant is they have this complimentary water. So if you happen to see me how I'm looking right now, because I did a 10-minute walk from my house to here and I'm feeling so sweaty, and so now my wife is about to order. Let's check it out.
Hummus and this is lemon.
How about onion? Dried onion? Dried onion.
This one.
Mandy.
We placed already our order, so later on I will take you through what is Mandy looks like here and how does it taste, and yeah, we'll see about it later. Bye. So ayun na nga, so naka-order na kami. Ito na yun, papakita namin. Actually, sa first impression niya, looks so dry, but the aroma and the umami smell is there. So tingnan natin mamaya talaga. Tingnan. ang first impression ni Wifey ay joke lang. Tingnan natin. Pwede na. Pwede kami na. Pampalibog na ba yan? Aprodisya. Hindi, joke lang. Ano ba ba? Sarap naman siya, kahit pa paano. Okay na. So, we had finished our dinner, and what's the verdict? Siguro nasa 7 out of 10. Kasi yung Mandy na kinakain na namin sa isang place, kaya yung malayo dito, 10 out of 10 yun kasi sobrang kompleto ng meal. Meron pa siyang yung yogurt na fresh, tapos meron siyang dried onions. Kuya naman, nagbablog ako, binigyan ako ng shame. So yun nga, 7 out of 10 kasi masarap siya, malasa, kaya lang medyo dry yung chicken, tapos medyo maanghang yung sauce. Maanghang lang, wala masyadong lasa, yung maanghang lang. Tapos salted yung salad nila. Yeah, pero babalik kami dito. Definitely. So, thank you sa mga nanood. Yeah, so sa mga nagpaplano na gustong kumain dito lang dito sa may corner ng Alpha Hide Metro Station. Ayun yung pangalan ng City Diner. Masarap siya. Mandy nila is 25 dirham lang. Good for 2 packs. So ayun, so there you have it. Maraming salamat.